Hello and welcome. I'm delighted you're here today. It's a pleasure to share thoughts that can profoundly change your life. Often, we find ourselves caught up in the whirlwind of external circumstances, distractions, and societal expectations, leaving us feeling overwhelmed and disheartened. But I want you to know that the path to a fulfilling life begins with you. Yes, you are the creator of your reality. Many of us spend countless hours fixated on what is happening around us. We worry about the opinions of others, the pressures of work, and the chaos of life. While these elements can be significant, they should not dictate our existence. Instead, I encourage you to focus inward. When you shift your attention from the outside world to your inner self, you begin to realize the power that lies within you. Imagine your life as a canvas. Each thought, emotion, and belief serves as a brushstroke. If you continuously apply dark colors, fear, doubt, and negativity, your masterpiece will reflect that. However, if you choose to paint with vibrant hues, love, confidence, and positivity, you will manifest a life that is truly beautiful. Every moment presents an opportunity to create. The key is to become aware of what you are painting with your thoughts and feelings. It's essential to understand that you have the ability to change your circumstances through the power of your imagination. Your mind is a powerful tool, capable of manifesting your deepest desires. When you visualize your goals, you are not merely daydreaming, you are actively shaping your reality. The more vividly you imagine your desired outcomes, the more you align yourself with those experiences. This alignment attracts similar vibrations into your life, bringing forth the people, opportunities, and resources necessary to realize your dreams. Now, let's take a moment to reflect. What do you truly want in life? Is it a fulfilling career, a loving relationship, or perhaps a sense of inner peace? Whatever it may be, write it down. Write it down with clarity and purpose. This act alone serves as a powerful affirmation of your intentions. By putting your desires into words, you are acknowledging their importance and inviting them into your consciousness. Once you have identified your desires, it's crucial to cultivate a sense of belief in their manifestation. Doubt and skepticism can be like weeds in a garden, choking the life out of your dreams. To overcome this, practice affirmations that reinforce your belief in yourself and your abilities. Speak to yourself kindly and with encouragement. Remind yourself that you are deserving of all the wonderful things life has to offer. Additionally, meditation can be a transformative practice in this journey. Taking time each day to sit in stillness allows you to connect with your inner self. In this space, you can visualize your desires more clearly and feel the emotions associated with achieving them. The practice of mindfulness helps you to remain grounded and centered, making it easier to resist the distractions of the outside world. As you continue this inward journey, it's important to let go of limiting beliefs. These beliefs often stem from past experiences and the opinions of others. They can create a false narrative that holds you back from reaching your full potential. Challenge these thoughts. Ask yourself if they are true and if they serve your highest good. If not, release them. You are not bound by your past. Instead, you are free to create a future that aligns with your deepest desires. Another vital aspect of manifesting your best life is gratitude. Cultivating an attitude of gratitude can shift your focus from lack to abundance. When you appreciate what you have, you open the door for more good things to flow into your life. Start a gratitude journal and make it a habit to write down at least 3 things you are thankful for each day. This simple practice can profoundly impact your mindset, helping you to see the beauty in your life, even amid challenges. Manifestation is not merely about wishing for things to happen. It is an active process that requires your participation. You must take inspired action toward your goals. This could be as simple as reaching out to someone in your network, pursuing a new skill, or taking a small step toward your vision. Each action you take propels you closer to your desired outcome. It's also essential to surround yourself with positivity. The people you spend time with and the media you consume can influence your mindset and beliefs. Choose to engage with uplifting individuals who support your dreams and aspirations. Seek out resources, books, podcasts, or videos that inspire you and resonate with your goals. When you immerse yourself in positive environments, you foster a mindset conducive to growth and manifestation. As you begin on this journey of self-focus and manifestation, be patient with yourself. Change takes time, and growth is a process. There may be moments of doubt or setbacks, but these do not define your journey. Instead, view them as opportunities for learning and growth. Each challenge you face can teach you valuable lessons, shaping you into the person you need to become to achieve your goals. Also, be mindful of your self-talk. The language you use with yourself can either uplift you or hold you back. Replace negative thoughts with affirmations that reinforce your worth and potential. Instead of saying, "I can't do this," replace it with, "I am capable of achieving my dreams." This shift in language can create a powerful ripple effect, transforming your beliefs and actions. Moreover, don't forget to celebrate your victories, no matter how small. Each step you take toward your goal deserves recognition. Celebrating your progress reinforces your belief in yourself and your ability to manifest your desires. It serves as a reminder that you are on the right path, encouraging you to keep moving forward. To truly focus on yourself and manifest your best life, you must cultivate a strong sense of self-awareness. Understanding your thoughts, emotions, and reactions allows you to make conscious choices rather than react unconsciously to external stimuli. Take time to reflect on your experiences and assess whether they align with your values and goals. This level of awareness empowers you to make informed decisions that support your journey. In addition, let go of the need for external validation. Many of us seek approval from others, but this can lead to feelings of inadequacy and discontent. Instead, focus on what makes you happy and fulfilled. Trust your instincts and honor your unique path. You are the author of your story, and you have the power to shape it according to your desires. As you cultivate this mindset of self-focus and manifestation, remember that it is a continuous journey. Life will always present challenges, but your response to them determines your reality. Practice resilience and adaptability. When faced with obstacles, remind yourself of your strengths and capabilities. Think of change as an opportunity for growth rather than a setback. Ultimately, the journey of manifesting your best life begins and ends with you. By prioritizing your needs, desires, and well-being, you empower yourself to create the life you envision. You possess the tools to reshape your reality, all it takes is the courage to think of them fully. Take a moment now to envision your best life. Feel the emotions associated with living that reality. What does it look like? What does it feel like? Allow those feelings to wash over you, filling you with a sense of joy and excitement. As you cultivate this vision, remember that you are not just dreaming, you are actively creating. Additionally, consider the impact of service to others. While this may seem counterintuitive to focusing on yourself, helping others can bring profound fulfillment and joy into your life. When you contribute to the well-being of others, you create a ripple effect of positivity that not only enriches your life but also uplifts those around you. This sense of connection reinforces your purpose and reminds you of the interconnectedness of all beings. Through acts of kindness and service, you cultivate a sense of gratitude that deepens your appreciation for your own journey. You can also leverage the power of visualization techniques. Picture your desired outcomes as if they have already happened. This practice involves more than just imagining your goals, it requires you to engage all your senses. What do you see, hear, and feel when you achieve your dreams? The more vividly you can create this experience in your mind, the more likely you are to attract those circumstances into your reality. Visualization bridges the gap between your current state and your desired state, making your goals feel more attainable. Now, as we wrap up this discussion, it's essential to take a moment to appreciate the progress you've made on this journey. Each step, no matter how small, contributes to your overall growth. Life is not a race, it is a series of moments that culminate in your unique experience. Acknowledge your achievements, reflect on your challenges, and use them as stepping stones toward your future. In conclusion, the journey to manifesting your best life is uniquely yours. By focusing on yourself, nurturing your passions, and cultivating a strong sense of purpose, you create a solid foundation for your dreams to flourish. Practice self-care, let go of what no longer serves you, and think of the beauty of serving others. As you visualize your success and align your thoughts with your desires, you will find that the universe responds in kind, presenting opportunities and experiences that resonate with your aspirations. If you found this content valuable, consider liking this video to help others discover these insights. Your support not only motivates me but also contributes to spreading this empowering message. Please subscribe to the channel for more uplifting content that can inspire you on your journey. Share this video with friends or family who may benefit from these teachings. Your engagement is vital, and I appreciate every single one of you for being here. Lastly, hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Your journey matters, and I'm grateful to be part of it. Let's continue to inspire and uplift one another as we manifest the lives we desire.